Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my Instagram glam photo shoot edition makeup. And this is pretty simple. I'm not a makeup artist, so don't get me wrong, I'm not. I just, like to do a little something every now and then. So I found that putting on setting spray before doing any of your makeup really helps your makeup stay put without moving all day with oil, grease, sweat. The next step is to just brush your brows out and then follow the line of your eyebrows from the bottom and the top and just fill them in lightly, not too thick, not too rough, just a little something. Now I'm just using a lighter concealer under my brows to really define the arch and just help make it pop. Here I'm just going in with the color Chestnut over some of the lighted parts of the Toffee LA Pro Grow Concealer just to blend it out and to put on the top layer of my brows. Sorry, I can't really see. And you want to make your ends skinny. So you think I'm skinny? So here I'm just going in with the light concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just doing this creative base for my eyeshadow so the color pops. So here I'm going in with the color Bershka, which is a warm medium brown, to create an even base. You want to go, sometimes I like a little shimmer, so I go in at the Casablanca. This color is the brown gold color. Now you just want to lightly brush the shimmery color. Here I'm going back with the light concealer and creating a highlighted look under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Here I'm just going in with the color Chestnut, which matches my skin, to create a transition in between the light concealer and the darker concealer that I will add in the next clip. And now I'm going in with a darker shade concealer to create this snatched look. And this is Dark Cocoa and the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, and now you just want to blend in all the different shades with a wet beauty blender. Because I live for the really highlighted look, I just went in and added some more Toffee under my eyes to brighten my face. So now you just want to go in with your setting powder in all the highlighted areas to really bring out your features. So you flip your eyelash curler upside down and you just push down. It really helps with gluing lashes because your curly lashes will literally just get in the way. So after I let it sit for a little bit, I don't let it sit for too long because I'll look ashy, trust me. So here I'm just knocking off the excess setting powder and patting it into my skin so that it creates a nice matte look and keeps my makeup from moving around. So here I'm starting with the liner in a curved but straight motion, starting from the corner of my eye, extending to the end of my eyebrow and a little bit further.
Bitch, is you blind?
Well, I gotta do it to the other side, so. If I drop this, that's my head. This is not okay, okay? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not a beauty. I'm not a this. Wow. To create a straighter and more clean look, just go ahead and add some brown eyeshadow under the jagged lines. That's horrible. Okay. Well, I'm sorry, y'all. This is the final look. Video done. Now we're just gonna put on our lashes and call it a day because clearly I like embarrassing myself. Y'all think if I add black in there somewhere, it'll come together? No, just stop. I don't get it. Wow. Okay. Girl, you look dumb. See, look at you. Look at you. Doing too much. Just doing too much. Stick to the plan. Here I'm just cleaning up the mess I made because I don't listen and I love to ruin everything. So let's try this again. So now I'm just following a shorter line under the line that's already there. And I'm just making it bolder so you can see it. And just creating a look, finishing it off. Looking a damn fool. Yeah, you kind of snaps, I'm not gonna lie, oh my god. So now just go ahead and follow a line under the second line that you just created to create a wing shape, but do not extend the wing across your lid. I said I'm not a makeup artist. I hope y'all heard me. Don't drag me. Anyway, so yeah, let's just put on our lashes because when you put on lashes over everything, it just cleans up the mess. This might make it messier though because these lashes are ridiculous. So now I'm just applying my wings across my eyelid. Yep.
Piece of bacon!
Now go ahead and add on that other wing, baby, because you can't fly without two. And because the wingspan of these wings are so wide and so strong, I had to go in and clean up the lash glue with some brown eyeshadow again, so it erases my mistakes, honey. Now I'm just adding a silveryish white to my bottom lash line to make my eyes pop. I showed it. I got brown eyeshadow on my lashes. Butterfly in the sky. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lashes.
Stupid.
That makes your cheeks look nice and toasty, and it gives you that moi, that makeup artist look. Like, do you see what I'm talking about? You see it. Do you see it? Look at it. Look at this transition, the fade out. Okay. Sorry guys, my phone literally just like closed the video, but the last step is you take this gold color and put it here. Okay, and that's about it. And then just make sure your makeup is blended everywhere. And you guys are good to go. Lastly, I would say, sorry, I'm moving the camera everywhere with me, is go in again with the setting spray and just spray your whole face. I just wanted to come in here and show you guys the final makeup look. It's not perfect, but I tried a little something. I'll link my Instagram and stuff in the bio to see the pictures and how I got this look. So be sure to tune in. Thanks for watching.